Donald Trump might have just helped Young Thug in his case. You guys make sure you share, subscribe, and like this video. So what does YNF Lucci, Young Thug, and former ex-president Donald J. Trump have in common? Well, they've all been indicted by Georgia's Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Okay, she has not been playing any games. As a matter of fact, Young Nudie and his crew just got indicted with a RICO as well. Now, he was not included in this indictment, but that just goes to show you how gangs are really being targeted now. Okay, so basically, the reason why Young Thug is sitting in jail is because they claim that YSL is a gang. All right, now they were trying to prove that YSL was beefing with YFN Lucci's gang. They wanted YNF Lucci to snitch on Thug, but he held it down and he didn't snitch on Thug. Instead, we got Gunna and we got other people that are associated with YSL snitching on Thug and saying that YSL is a gang. Isn't that ridiculous? Now, Donald Trump said that Fani Willis was supposed to have been investigating a infamous gang and she ended up having a love affair with a gang leader. I was thinking to myself, what? So, yeah, President Trump is saying that Fani Willis compromised herself and that she's involved in a case in which she was having relations with a gang member. Now we're trying to figure out who is this person. Well, I tell you, it was rumored that she was having a love affair with Big Nut. Yes, Donovan Thomas Jr., aka Big Nut, is who she was supposed to have been having an affair with. But there's a second rumor going around about Fani Willis. People are saying that YSL Mondo used to mess with her as well. At one point, she was his lawyer. And he's saying that the behavior that she's showing us is not really who she is. If you recall, Mondo is supposed to be a founder of YSL. However, he was not included in the RICO. People are saying that they have photos together and that she's cool with his mom. Now, Donald Trump alluded at his campaign that Fani Willis could not be trusted and that she was shady and hanging out with certain characters. But you know how Donald Trump is. If you say anything about him, he's going to come hunting for you. He's going to find out all the garbage, all your dirty laundry. He is definitely going to expose you. So right after he said this is when the 96-page indictment comes against him. It's 96 pages. He's being charged with 13 charges. Let's be clear. That's more charges than Young Thug. And Young Thug has been sitting in jail for a while and they will not give him bond. They keep acting like he is a flight risk. So I know that when Donald Trump has to come to court, oh yeah, they're going to say he's a flight risk and they're not going to let him get out of jail. I can tell you that right now. They're going to set the standard. Like Fani Willis is definitely going to make a name for herself. She told Donald Trump that him and the other 18 people have until this Friday to turn themselves in. So she's serious. So basically, Donald Trump said this stuff about Fani, and now he has to fight this RICO, him and 18 other people that he's affiliated with. Now, one of the 18 people includes the former New York mayor, Rudolph Giuliani. Now, we know he was a lawyer as well, too. So she is saying that Donald Trump basically broke the law when it came to obeying the electoral process. Okay, this has nothing to do with the insurrection, them storming the White House, and having a riot. This has nothing to do with that. It's only about the procedure, and it took them forever to do this. And I think it's only because they see now how bad our country is going. They know that Biden is not going to win if Donald Trump is going to be going up against him. It's just facts. Okay. So you guys, it is so crazy that YNF Lucci is sitting in jail right now because someone saw him in a car with other people that threw out basically someone that was on the brink of dying. So he's getting charged for that, and they're saying that he's in a gang. They're charging Young Thug because they're saying that Young Thug rented out a car that was used to put the hit on Big Nut. Okay, so, and they're bringing up all these other mediocre charges, minor charges that he could normally beat, if a RICO wasn't involved. So it's like they give you so many charges that they know something is going to stick. So you guys, I don't know who else is going to be next. Drop a comment. And if you're still here, make sure that you like and share this video. It'll definitely help. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next incredible tea.